Good morning. Welcome to class. Last term we looked at Greek theatre and Greek chorus. This term we are going to be putting into practice everything we learned. You're going to be assessed by how well you work by yourself, with someone else, and as part of a group. The first activity you're going to do today is called word match. You're going to be matching the Greek chorus keywords with the correct sentences. You are going to be working with the person sitting next to you. The sheet of paper is going to go around, make sure that it's facing down until everyone has a copy. Once everyone has a copy, you turn the sheet around and find the right sentences to the keywords. The first pair to finish writing the keywords into their notebooks wins this task. You have got 6 minutes for this task. Well done. Now we're going to put into practice our keywords. The first two keywords we're going to work with are gestures and canon. Do you remember what these two mean? Yes? Okay. This game is also going to mark our registers. This activity is an individual activity. Remember I said you're going to be assessed on how well you work by yourself as an individual. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand up, find the space, make sure you have enough space around you. How do we play this game? Well, this game is called name and gesture. You're going to say your name and do a gesture at the same time. I'll demonstrate. Miss Christina. So I said my name and I did my gesture. And you are going to do the same. The action could be an activity that you love. It could be a hobby. It could be a sport. It could be anything you want to express yourself. Maybe you want to tell us something new about yourself, but it has to be appropriate and it cannot be rude. Everyone has to have a turn, and you have 6 minutes for this task. Well done. Now we're going to play the game again, but this time I want you to exaggerate, which is another keyword we're working with, the movement. The same movement you did, but just make it bigger and larger. I'll demonstrate. Miss Christina! So my movement was bigger and my voice was louder, and I had expressions on my face. So now it's your turn. You have 6 minutes to do this task. Well done. Now we're going to move on to 2 other keywords. They are unison and repetition. We're going to be warming up our bodies and warming up our voice. And you're going to count down in odd numbers, shaking your right hand, right leg, left leg. So we're going to do this together in unison. Make sure you have enough space. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Well done. So the name of that game was Shake It, Don't Break It. Do you remember what keywords were in there? Correct. Repetition and unison, because we did it together. Well done. The next exercise, which again, you're going to now do by yourself as an individual, but make sure you have enough space, is called moving pictures. And the keyword we're going to be working with is canon, because you're going to be working one after another by yourselves. So how do we play this game? Well, moving pictures, you will close your eyes, and when you hear me say a word, you have to use your body to express the word. So you have to keep moving your body to express the word. Okay? So again, it could be anything. Don't look at the person next to you. Just do what you want to do, what the word means to you. So for example, if I was to say eat it, that's how I express it, but you could express it differently. All right, so remember, try to exaggerate the word as much as you can. Are you ready? Okay, close your eyes and farming. Okay, so you just got a couple of seconds to keep doing the action. Well done. And cooking. And Superman. Teacher. Chorus. All right, well done. Well done. So that was moving pictures, and you were using gestures and canon because you were doing it one after another. Well done. So that's our individual activities. Now we're going to move on to our group work. Okay. So for the group work, you are going to be working with a script. You're going to become a Greek chorus. The script is going to go around. I want everyone in class to read a line each. Okay? And imagine that you're reading it in the Greek theatre where the audience are all the way at the back of the room. Once everyone has read a line, you're going to break into groups of 3 in your group. I want you to repeat the first 2 lines, and then everyone else takes a line, the rest of the lines. The first 2 lines, you're going to say it together in unison like a Greek chorus. The words in capital, you're going to repeat those words 3 times and repeat the same action 3 times as well. So for example, if the line is, I am eating an apple, and the word in capital is eaten, I would say, I am eating an apple. So you say the word in capital 3 times and you do the action 3 times. Then take the rest of the lines, decide who's going to say what line. Once you have rehearsed with your group, you're going to come back and show the rest of the group just the first 2 lines of repeating and your gestures, okay? And then whoever's watching becomes the audience and will give you feedback on how to improve those 2 lines, all right? So you've got 20 minutes to rehearse the whole lines, but when you come to feedback, you're just going to show us the first 2 lines. Once you complete that, then for your homework, you need to learn your lines, practice the gestures, look in the mirror when you get home. For next lesson, I want you to bring the masks that you made last term and costumes. Bring anything you have that is in black. So black top, black trousers, anything you have that's in black, that's going to be your costume. All right? So off you go. Enjoy your rehearsals. Well done.